Hi guys, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw and color my melody from Sanrio. So let's get started. To draw this cute little rabbit, we're going to first start by drawing her ears. So I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to basically loop around. So I'm going to start about right here and I'm just going to draw a very plump ear. So I'm just going to go up and circle back down. So that's the shape that you're aiming for. Nice little ear that's bent over. And from there, I'm going to come to say about right here and draw the other ear. So about right here, I'm going to go up. And we're just aiming for the same, about the same thickness. So about right there, I'm going to start to come down. And I'm just going to aim to come down at the same level as that part right here where we started. So there. Now from here we can go ahead and draw her head. So it's just going to be a big oval. So we're going to come right here and just draw a big oval. So we're going to go to the other side and just keep going. So it's going to be wider right here and it's going to start to come in. And connect it. There. So that's the shape you're aiming for her head. Nice big head. And so then from there we're going to come about right here and we're going to draw her face. So now that we have the hood part in, we're going to come in here and draw another oval. So let's come to the other side so we can see a little bit better. And we're just going to flatten out this oval. So about right here. We're going to aim for this area right here and go all the way across and come back to this part right here. So there, now we have her face in, and so then from there let's bring her to life, and I'm going to come to the center right here and draw her little nose. So it's just basically another oval, small little oval, and right underneath the oval I'm going to put a little smile and cap it off, and then on the sides I'm going to draw a big circle right here for the eyes. So about right here towards the edge. And another one, so we go right across and draw another circle. There. So let's make them jaw stick your eyes. I'm going to come in here with two smaller circles at an angle and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. So the same thing on this side. Now that we have our eyes in, we're going to come right up here above the eye and just draw a soft curve right above the eye. And then I'm going to come to the edge right here and just give her a little lash just to add some details to her eyes. There. So then she has a flower right here or a bow, but I'm going to put a flower and I'm just going to come in this area in the center between these two lines and just draw a circle for the center of the flower. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw 4 petals right close to the edge, so I make this flower as big as possible, and another one, and one more. So I got the flower in. Now to draw her cute little outfit, so we're going to draw right here in the center, find your center right here, and we're going to draw 2 angle lines to finish off her little hood. So 2 little angle lines. We're going to come to the side, say about this wide, and just kind of connect it. Nice soft curve. And then from there, let's draw her body. So we're just going to come about right here. Just give us some room for her arms. And we come in here and just bring a curve down. So same thing on both sides. And about right there, I'm just going to go ahead and add this little curve right in the center for her tummy area. And then I'm going to bring a straight line down in the center and connect it. And just bring it in. There, nice and simple, right? And then for her arms, we're going to come right here and just bring out a curve and tuck it back in. So same thing on the other side. Bring out a curve and tuck it back in. And then right here, because it is a Draw So Cute My Melody, I'm going to add a little heart right here. And that is pretty much it for the drawing part. Now to color it. So there, hope you guys love how this cute little rabbit turned out. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it, and remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.